Hello, in front of me I've got car dash cam provided by XGody company. In this video we are going to see an unboxing of this device. Let me begin with unpacking from the original box. So we have to slide it off. And now we can open the main box. In the front of the box you can see the main camera with some buttons on the left side and on the right side. Also the source to the power outlet, AV outlet, camera and SD card slot. Now let's take out this part of the box, and as you can see right here we've got the bunch of cables inside of the box and some tools. Thanks to these tools you can install your camera, clean it, etc. Now let's go to the cables. Firstly, we've got the switch cable, thanks to which we can plug this one to our camera, and then to these outlets we can plug in rear view camera and GPS locator. Next, we've got the holder with suction ability to place it on our front windshield. Then we've got the GPS locator, as you can see we just plug it here. Next, you can find the rear camera. And the rear camera not only shows you the rear view of your car, but also assists you in the parking maneuver, and also it can be useful because it has the recording function. Then we've got the charger that connects to the power supply in your car. And in the end, you can check the dashcam manual in the paper instruction. The instruction is written in English and German language. And that's basically it for the unboxing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.